Well, your HVAC system is really made up of several different components. That consists of your air conditioner that's outside, the cooling coil that's associated with that, which is referred to as the evaporator coil. And then we also have our furnace. Then we have your ductwork, or what we like to refer to as the duct system. With all of those things together, that makes up your HVAC system. An air conditioner can work, but doesn't mean that it's working good. Today, when you purchase an air conditioner, yes, they're rated from the manufacturer, but there are quite a few other things that have to be done in order to assure that efficiency.
Well, efficiency, it's installing the equipment the correct way. It involves making sure that your return duct is sized properly. If your return duct isn't sized properly, then your blower motor is going to work a lot harder than it should. In return, it's going to be bad on the system. It's not going to last as long as it should. We like to make sure that the return drop is correct size for the blower, make sure that we're getting the correct static pressure. What that is going to do is it's going to give you all your SEER ratings.
So your SEER rating is the rating that the manufacturer gives the equipment. And you noticed I said equipment, not system. So in order to gain that efficiency, your system all has to play a certain part in that.
If you're installing a 20 SEER system, you may be only getting 15 SEER because your ductwork isn't sized correctly, or your air conditioner is clogged up really bad. A lot of it is with the installation, and a lot of it's upkeep and maintenance as well.
But with an air conditioner, you have to have it sized perfectly. Everybody thinks, oh, bigger is better, let's get a big, strong. That's not so in air conditioning, because if it's too big, it kicks on, it cools the house really quickly, and it shuts off really quickly. You want it properly sized so that it gets a proper run time. If it's bigger, you're going to get a lot of short cycling where it kicks on and turns off a lot. A lot of energy is used at startup. So first off, you want to get it properly sized. Second of all, you want to have it paired with the proper furnace. Even more important than that is properly charging the system. Charging is just another word for filling it with the refrigerant. If you get that dialed in and get that filled properly, that definitely affects efficiency and overall SEER rating.